Howdy y'all, today I'm gonna be making some oatmeal raisin protein cookies. Personally, I love raisins. The husband absolutely hates them. One of his buddies gave him this for me and he almost threw up a little bit in his mouth handing them over. He doesn't have to eat these damn cookies though. These are for me. That's why I'm making these, is because of these raisins specifically. I'll be using old-fashioned oats, chia seeds, some yummy yogurt, salt, and of course cinnamon, and this big fucking thing of protein. I think I'm gonna add like maybe 2 or 3 scoops of protein. There's a few more ingredients, but I'm about to list it right here. This is what I'm making. Let's do it. So this is another ingredient. It is overripe bananas. As you can see, they're a little gross. That's because I always freeze my bananas. So I went ahead and put them in here, stuck them in the microwave for a minute. That way I could just pop them out. So a few things I do not have and what I am swapping out. I do not have any coconut. I don't think I really need it. I don't have vanilla protein powder, but I have that unflavored protein powder. I got my chia seeds, cinnamon, sea salt, raisins, my bananas, obviously. And you can see that there's applesauce here. Well, instead of doing that, I am gonna do the yogurt. So instead of the 1/4, I'm doing a 1/2 cup of protein powder. Now, because I cut a little bit of ingredients, I'm gonna do 1 1/2 rolled oats instead of 1 1/4. Just trying to make sure we're good to go here. Chia seeds. We got a bunch of cinnamon, of course. Oh, I love cinnamon. And we've got our Celtic sea salt. These are my cookies, so I can use my hands all I fucking want. Yes, they're washed, but who gives a shit? Oh my God. Woo. Oh shit, I lost one. I got me a little bit more than 1/2 cup of raisins. So again, instead of the applesauce, I'm gonna be using this guy right here, which is gonna give us some more protein. Yummy, yummy. That looks to be like a good amount. Sometimes I just do not measure my stuff. I just kind of throw it all together. That's what happens when you bake for so long. You just start throwing shit together. Yikes, it's looking like I'm gonna need to go get some more vodka so I can make more vanilla extract. Sheesh. A little bit of vanilla. Oh, I almost lost the whole ass bean. Mostly melted coconut oil. I'm just trying to get all of this mixed together because I don't know if you saw that. There's no egg in this recipe. There's no milk. There's no flour or any of that. All these wet ingredients. That's why I decided to go with Greek yogurt instead of applesauce. First of all, I have no applesauce. And I was like, well, I just need another wet ingredient that I can add to my recipe. I'm not gonna lie, it smells really good. This smells so freaking good. So I'm really thinking I'm gonna add a little bit more oats to it because it's looking a little bit too runny for my liking. Let me add some more oats. Okay, that's enough. I'm really bad. I'm one of those, like, I see a recipe and then I just kind of wing it. All right, so this is what they're gonna look like. They're like little lumps. Yeah, little wet lumps. But once they're baked, they actually look pretty good. Let's do a taste test. Not as sweet as I would expect it to be. If I were to make these again, I would definitely add like a 1/4 cup of honey. Because already on the top, I did do a little bit of brown sugar and cinnamon. But once you get a bite of the raisin, it ends up being pretty sweet. Because raisins are like sugar. I'm gonna give it like a 8 out of 10, 7.5 out of 10. All right, catch y'all later. Have a great day.